Alright guys, so I have it set up on the machine. I hooked up the hydraulics. I don't plan on removing them. Excuse me, I have a cold. So, let's see how this thing operates. That is a major mulching head on it. Nice steps to get in and out. Actually, real easy to get in and out. I think even my father can do it. Pretty nice screen they put there for you too. Alright, so you have to unlock your controls and we will turn on the auxiliary hydraulics. I'm going to lift it off the ground just in case I hit the wrong button. Wow, need some power. Get it up. Okay, so we'll try this toggle switch first, see what occurs. Whoa. Good thing I lifted it off the ground. It would have kicked about 2 yards of dirt the other way. Okay. See what this toggle switch does. Alright, so this pulls the mulching head in, and it's also making it spin. So this pulls the mulching head closer to you. Left toggle switch. That's it going out. It coming in. Okay. Let's see what this does. Alright, so when you push this button on the left lever, that's going to control the head in and out. Alright. That does nothing. That's your turn signal. So this toggle switch must lift it up and down physically, yeah. So that's going to lift your grinder up. Just going to put it back down. I guess because it's putting hydraulic oil into the machine, it spins the mulcher head. So this is the control for the... Wow. Look at that. And if you move the switch to the left, it's not a brake. So if you put that into somebody, yeah, they're going to get really fouled up. Big time. And if you push the trigger on this side where my finger is, that gives you constant power. Wow. This is I don't mean to sound like a little child, but like, this is a unbelievable attachment to me. I've never had anything this big on a machine that's so strong and powerful. I mean, the most, I've had backhoe attachments, I've had hydraulic pallet forks, combo buckets, grapple buckets, snow plows, but I never went for a tool like this, or like a snow blower even, like on this magnitude. So it's actually really cool. So I'm going to pull this in all the way. There you have it, an SG60 stump grinder control action. Guess I'll leave it up. Okay.